So what is up, guys? Today we are doing a video that I have not done in a very long time. We are going kayak fishing down to Dana Point Harbor. Hopefully get on some fish. I'm actually gonna go grab the bait real quick. So we got the bait. Hopefully we can get on some fish, guys. I mean, it has been a while since I've fished Dana Point, and to be honest, I really do miss fishing down there. And I actually have a new piece of equipment that I got for Christmas from my parents. Shout out to my mom and dad for getting me this. It's a surprise, so I'm going to show you once I get down there, so I'll see you when we get down there.
My morning song, though darkness fills the night, it cannot hide the light. Whom shall I fear? You crush the enemy.
Alrighty, so I just got done hanging out with Ben and Jill. Pretty fun time hanging out with them. And I want to do a shout out to those guys and my parents for making it all happen, preparing food for them. Shout out to them. And you guys might be thinking, why the heck are you not at the beach? Why are you standing in your garage talking to the camera? So, what I did not get on video, God was with us on the water today, guys. And I'm very grateful for that. And I want to talk to you guys about this piece of equipment. This is a Lowrance Hook 3X fish finder. Got it for Christmas. That was the surprise I was telling you guys about in the video earlier today. And we had a huge backfire. So we get on the water, we get everything set up, it's all good. My dad goes to hook up the positive to the negative and the negative to the positive. I think that's how it works. I don't really know. But we hook it up, and I go to grab my camera, show you guys the surprise, and I didn't hit the record button, and I turn around, and it's like smoking. Like in the dry bag, the thing is literally smoking. So we don't want to get it wet. And the thing is like smoking, and all of a sudden it just catches on fire. Like it's a tiny flame, and then it's like actually on fire. So I'm like freaking out. I didn't even hit the record for some reason. So I don't know if this thing still works or not. The battery is pretty toast, sadly. Let me go grab the battery for you guys real quick. So this is the battery, tiny little battery, and as you can see, this clip right here, this one right there, hopefully the camera is on that, literally we attach it to this and the thing just, like, it ignites, like in a tiny little flame. And sorry, bird. I don't know if it's still usable. I'm probably going to check it here in a little bit and see if it works. But, to be honest, I'm just glad that we were safe. God is truly good, and even though we didn't really catch that much fish today, I'm just glad that we were safe. And hopefully the battery still works, because this literally, just came off. So there's that little clip piece. Hopefully this bad boy still works. I have no idea. This battery might be totally toast, but guys, that fish finder thing is almost like $400, and the battery alone is almost like $100. So total of $500. Hopefully not gone down the drain, but we shall see. And I'll get back to you in a little bit, see if this boy is working. Okay. And hopefully, so.
We're going to test to see if it's actually blown or not. So,
Hey! It's working, boys.
that's working.
So, don't
don't know what happened. Had to be water. Got connected.
It works, boys. It is all good. God is good, bro. It works. Everything works. Nothing broke. Probably just water. So let me end this video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good weekend until school starts again. God is good. Subscribe. Comment ideas down below. And as always, God, fish, and family.
You are my morning song, though darkness fills the night.